Sunflowers are blooming all over, so I feel like this was the perfect kit for this week. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of September 30th through October 6th. This is my makselife planner. We're getting to the end of this planner pretty soon, but we have new products coming in just a couple weeks. This is the kit I'm going to be using this week. It's so pretty. This is from Sadie Stickers. It's called Drenched. I know this is more of like a late summer kit, but I love the sunflowers. I thought it was really, really pretty. And the weather is still like in the 80s, so I feel like it was still appropriate. It's just gorgeous. I love all of the gold details. It's so pretty. Okay, so we have this page here with all the full boxes. We got lots of boxes here. Lots of functional things and headers, and then the gorgeous bottom washi. I love the little gold embossing there. Oh, so pretty. I love it. This is going to be super fun to work with. I also have this marker, which is just blue from Zig. And if you've never seen one of my Plan As I Go Plan With Me's, the way that I do mine is that I go ahead and set up the week on the Sunday before, and then I'll fill you in as many days as I can to give you real life updates. And then at the end of the week, we're going to add in some pictures and memory keeping to make it extra special. So if you're into that, stay tuned and let's go ahead and get this spread set up. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi. So it comes in 2 strips, and I'm going to put the bigger strip down at the very bottom, and then I'm going to put the smaller strip above the little bold line. I just want to have, like lately, I've been wanting to have a space for my daily gratitude, and doing it this way just makes it really easy. And I definitely, when I look at my spread and I see that blank space, I remember, gotta do my gratitude. So I just like the look of it too. It's been nice. Okay, here I'm trying to find some numbers that will work with this kit, and I realized that I need to order some numbers because I had such a hard time finding the right numbers for this particular week. I needed a 30 along with 1 through 6, so it was like I had 31s. I had 7s, but it took me forever, and I ended up using 2 of these sheets from Sadie Stickers, and I think she's having a foil sale right now or something. Anyway, her foil is always like priced really well, and I love her kits obviously because I'm using one this week, so I definitely need to order some soon. Okay, then we're putting these date covers across the top after I finally found some numbers that would work. And these happen to fit perfectly over the text, so I had to reposition a couple of them because I placed them down a little bit wrong, so just like that. But they work really well for this kit, or for this planner. And then moving on to full boxes, so I grabbed the quote box for my sidebar, and then I'm just putting in some other boxes in their normal spots for my layouts. I really like that one on Friday with the clouds, and it's just gorgeous. And then I pulled in some headers to cover the little white space in that little awkward section, and that worked out really well. And then for the sidebar, I pulled in a little bit of deco and a square box for my favorite moment of the week, which we will do at the end of the week. And then I'm just adding a little bit of that deco to the top just for some interest. And then Friday was our homecoming game and dance, and I had to sponsor the dance, so I put in a big box for that. It did take up quite a chunk of time, and so I didn't feel bad about using that big box. Now I'm putting in some to-do list dots and some hearts for daily gratitude, and then just filling in my habits real quick. I've been tracking the same things for a while now, and they're working, so I'm gonna stick with them. And then just adding in some to-dos across the spread. Usually I don't do a whole lot on Friday nights anyway, but I knew this week I would definitely not have time to do anything. But just writing in that, and then some more to-dos. And we're ready for the week. Hey, it's Wednesday. I'm checking in. It has been a stressful week so far, and not necessarily bad, just like non-stop busy at work. And by the time I get home, I'm exhausted, but I have been getting a few things done. Okay, so today I've got some things on my list here. I don't know if I'll do both of these or just one today. I'll have to see. And I need to call my mom and check on her. She had a carpal tunnel surgery yesterday, and I just want to check on her. And then I'm also going to work out today, even though I absolutely don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to. But I know it's good for me. Whatever. I'm just in that mode right now where I'm like, I don't want to do it, but I know it's good for me. So, here we go. My desk is a disaster, as usual. Okay. So this week, I'm gonna use some of these. I haven't used these in a while. So I'm gonna do fly dance today. I don't know how much I'll do, but I'll do something. And then let's put in a full box here. It is like 90 degrees today, so putting in a sundress isn't crazy. Okay, I am hoping though next week. I just want to be in the 70s and 80s. I just don't want to be hitting 90 anymore. I'm just tired of it. It just makes me mad. The heat. Okay, so gratitude today. I'm going to put my sister Callie. I've been trying to check in with her because she's got her third kid, and this little baby will not stop crying at night. And she's not getting any sleep, so, yeah. Either this weekend or next weekend, we're going to do a movie night. Just the two of us, and just kind of chill. Okay, I think that's it. By the way, got good news about Scout. She's doing well. She may have some upper respiratory flare-ups in the next few months, but they said to bring her in if that happens, but I'm hopeful that she's going to be okay. It is Saturday, and it's actually after 5. It has been a hectic week. I feel like I say that every week these days, now that we're back in school and it's not summer anymore. But it has been a pretty good week, actually. So, yesterday, I came home and then went right back after eating some dinner and relaxing for just a little bit for our homecoming game and the dance. We lost our game, but the dance was really fun, actually. We did it in a different place, and it was just like, I don't know, it was just actually kind of fun. So I just sat by like one of the exits to make sure the kids didn't leave and do anything they weren't supposed to do, and just like laughed at them dancing. They had a great time, so I think it was a success. But then I got home at like right after midnight, took a quick shower, went to bed like pretty much as quickly as I could, and I made the mistake of not, like, I totally forgot to feed the cats, and then I was like, when they were bugging me at 4 in the morning, I was like, do I feed them right now, or like, what do I do? So I just kicked out the kittens, who were like probably getting too big for me to call kittens. I guess they were kittens for a year, so, you know, not maybe we'll still call them kittens, but yeah, so I slept in once I kicked them out until about 8:30, and then yesterday while I was at the game, I was talking to my sister because she brought the boys, my nephews, up, and so my nephew Grayson, he's the oldest, he's 7, he missed a school event last week because he was sick, so my sister wanted to make it up to him. So today I took him to this trampoline park thing. We actually had a pretty good time. He was exhausted and so sweaty by the end. He was having so much fun though. So I definitely want to put that in for today. And I don't obviously want to add too much to my list here, but I do want to get 2 things filmed today, and it's totally doable. There's just cat hair everywhere. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to keep them from getting on my desk. Like, it's impossible. And especially right now, they're just shedding a lot, and it's just... But I did just take a nap because I was I'm so tired. I'm trying to think if I have like a trampoline sticker. I think I do. Okay, I couldn't find anything that I wanted, so I'm just gonna use one of these from Box and Pip. But we had a good time. But he's getting to that age where like he wants to go play with other kids. He doesn't really want to play with me so much, which is kind of sad. But luckily I have 2 more nephews. And then I think he'll like loop back around when he's a little older to like want to hang with me. I mean, he wants to do stuff with me. He just like as soon as we got there, like he played with me for like a minute and then he wanted to play with like the other kids, which was totally fine, but oh, he's just growing up. Okay. Then let's see if we have any full boxes left. Okay, we do. Let's use this one, but I think I want to cut it down a little bit. So maybe, okay, I got it in my head. I'm pretty bad at doing a straight line, but let's see how we did here. I think I cut off too much. Oh my goodness. That's fine. Whatever. Okay, and then I want to put in that I had a nap because that was very much needed. Thankfully, the kitties let me do that. So we're going to use this from Once More with Love, and then I think I'll grab this. I did do my nails. I put on this color from Mooncat, which is super fun. It's kind of subtle and pretty, but then it has like this orange reflect. It's like a, when it's not reflecting the orange, it's like a cream with a touch of blue. I don't know. I really like it. I think it's kind of fun for October. Okay, so the rest of the day, laundry. I need to get that going. Then I'm going to film my teacher planner so that I do not have to do that next weekend, because next weekend is a rodeo weekend. I have to work part of the rodeo, and I just want to have that filmed so I don't really have to worry about it, and then just have to edit it next weekend. And then weekly actions and reflections, which we're going to do over here. So that's the plan, and then I'll see you tomorrow. It is Sunday, so why am I like sore from the trampoline park? That was a lovely surprise this morning. Okay, so today I need to do some editing and then some stuff around the house. I think I also need to just meal prep my breakfasts for next week. And then I also need to wash my hair. And I think that's about it for the day. I'm happy to report. I don't think the editing will take me very long today. Maybe like an hour, hour and a half, because I accidentally edited the wrong, or started to edit the wrong plan with me last week. So I'm actually ahead a little bit, which is good. Gratitude today. I'm going to say my kitties, they're being extra cute today. And they let me sleep. Thank God. Okay, so I've already done my vitamins. And then I went for a walk this morning. I just kind of got up a little bit early and was just kind of feeling it. So let's put that in. It wasn't a very long walk. I just kind of wanted to get outside. It's pretty cool out there, actually. It just felt good to get outside for a minute. And I got in all my workouts for the week, which I am proud of myself. Yeah, we're going to do better next week, but I feel like I had a good start this week. I also yesterday filmed my reflections and weekly actions for the next week, so I feel like I'm doing good. Okay, so the rest of the day is just going to be getting some stuff done around the house and then relaxing a little bit before we are at it again. And next weekend's going to be really busy, so I feel like I need to take some time today to relax a little bit, because it's going to be like the calm before the storm. All right, I'll be back in a minute to finish up this spread with some pictures and some memory keeping, and we will be done with this spread. Let's finish up this spread. I'm going to start with the pictures. I'll get those down with my Tombow adhesive, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I pulled some stickers already, so I feel like we're going to start here with, it's been 20 years since Mean Girls came out, which is crazy. So it came out when I was in college, like my second year of college, I guess. So weird. Time is a weird thing. But I found this Fox and Pip or Fox and Cactus sticker that I bought. It went really well with this. Okay, I had to shorten that down a little bit, but that's fine. Okay, and then this is for, oh no. Let me see if I can get this out. There we go. Okay, so this was homecoming week, and we had Anything But a Backpack Day, and that was hilarious. I loved it. Super funny. They were so creative with what they chose. It's cracking me up. So I have a little Once More with Love sticker. So this was my favorite. A kid had an empty and clean mop bucket. Cracking me up, man. So creative. And then I will put this little cute sticker with my nephew. He doesn't look very cute in that picture. He's giving me a side eye. But that was at the football game. Adorable. Favorite moment of the week? I'm going to say homecoming day, like Friday, because we had so much fun at the pep rally and the dance and everything. It was super fun. And this spread is done. This turned out really pretty, but also like it has the fun elements. And our school colors are, our school colors are blue and yellow, so kind of goes with everything. I have this positive thought sticker, and I feel like I want to put that somewhere because I really was trying to focus this week on having some positive thoughts. Yeah, I'm going to go right here. That works. I need to use those more often. Okay, this spread is finished. If you enjoyed watching me put together this spread, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And share this video with somebody you think might like it. And I'll see you next week. Bye!